Cheers, mix, click and code with Boozy Browsing, sipping and fixing the web one cocktail at a time.
Get a 61% drop in organic click-throughs. So what that means is essentially over half of your traffic through typical means, if you're on, top 10, right? It's gone.
93% of searches in Google's AI mode end without a click. The future of search has almost no click at all. They changed the name from SEO to GEO because now, for the reasons that we explained, that you are actually making it optimized for LLMs or AI-driven technology or tools. You want them to pick them up instead of just the search engines are picking them up as old days used to be.
Let's ask it. Best hiking boots? I'm going to go shoes. I need some hiking shoes for the spring. All right. So as you can see, it's picking me as one of the, again, I think it's everyone at this point. So AI overview. I mean, sponsored product, totally different. It's really this section, especially on a phone. If we were on a phone, this is really all you're going to see. And they're going to very quickly open it up. And all of a sudden, it's generated Merrell, Solomon, Ultra, Adidas. These are the ones that are going to be positioned. Now, this was, again, the content site that spent all the money to generate this list, do the research. That's what they got as an attribution. It's like, well, we're essentially fixing the things that no one is ever complaining about, right? Because we're finding the things that are actual problems, but no one has complained about that solve real problems, right? So, to get that through someone's head of like, well, I didn't know I had I don't have any problems on my website. Well, the reality is, no, you probably do, and just no one is alerting you to it.
Right. Yeah. So this is actually a bigger problem because you're not aware where missed opportunities are, because you have amazing product and you still wonder why isn't it hitting, because something simple as your site doesn't let you finish purchasing it, but people just went to your site and tried it and just got frustrated and just leave.
Half of all sites are 6 seconds on mobile.
Yeah. It's like 53%.
Yeah. Google would like it to be 3 and half are 6. Like, think about that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Like, I fell asleep. Like 2 more seconds I had to wait for that site to load. Really? Like, that's what apparently and I notice it. Like, I'm on a mobile phone on a real mobile, like, connection. Okay, 3G, let's say, or 5G, maybe. Sites are that slow, and it's really frustrating. Unless I know that I have to go there,
yeah,
I'm already ready to leave before I even see the homepage.
Estimated revenue loss from a 1-second mobile delay on a 10 million e-commerce site is $400,000 a year. I think we did this in one of the lunch and learns that I compared, was it WebP and AVIF versus JPEG and versus PNG file. They all look exactly the same, but the size difference was crazy. So you want to use the ones that is not that big, because like on websites and on the mobile, at the end of the day, quality difference isn't that crazy. It's about the same, but the size difference is huge. So why make it
file size difference? Yep.
Right. Yeah.
I think what most people need to realize is that most of these companies have basically GA. They have Google Analytics tracking pretty much who showed up, barely, but it's not going to tell you anything about them or about what they tried to do. I mean, you could try to guess. Some reports will allow you to guess. But you need error monitoring. You need some system of checking for these errors constantly, because they don't, unfortunately, on SaaS platforms, they're not consistent from day to day. They do have releases of their own. So there could be errors that show up and then go away that you don't know about if you're not actively monitoring with errors.
It's running an automated test on your critical workflows. You can set it up with different monitoring tools like Pingdom. Usually you want your Pingdom anyway, because you want to make sure that your site is up. Because what Pingdom does is that it actually pings your site and makes sure that it's up. It's like a very high level explanation of it. That's why it's Pingdom. It's like checking your site. If it's up, it's up. If it's not, it's let you know. It actually gives you notifications so your developers or whoever can go back to see what's wrong. But yeah, they usually have a mechanism that allow you to do this automatic testing. Sometimes it's just checking if your site slows, or some small interactions that you can check to see if the site is actually operating correctly. And you can schedule this. So you do this in the off hours or like main hours so that you can actually check that it's not interrupting your user behavior. But it's more like structuring out all these different things, how to consolidate it and put it into a thing that makes sense for stakeholders. Because even if you consolidate, it needs to make sense for you. Like, so whoever is using the tool is like, if you're building a dashboard, the dashboard has to consolidate it to a point that the numbers actually make sense to sales, revenue. How does it affect you?